Welcome back to our NEC training series, where we break down electrical code rules in a simple way for everyone just starting out. Today, we're going to talk about NEC 110.26C3, which focuses on personnel doors in electrical equipment working spaces. If you're wondering what this means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's get started. This part of the code says, when electrical equipment is located in a room or enclosure, personnel doors, that is, doors people use to enter or exit the room, must be sized and arranged so that workers can enter and exit safely and easily. In simpler terms, the doors used to get into electrical rooms or closets must be big enough and placed in a way that doesn't block access to the equipment. Doors must open fully and provide enough space so that you don't get stuck or have to squeeze around to do your work. So why does NEC require specific rules about personnel doors? Because these doors are your main way in and out of the rooms that contain electrical equipment. In an emergency, like an electrical fire, arc flash, or equipment failure, being able to quickly and safely get in and out of the electrical room can save your life. If doors are too narrow, locked inappropriately, or open the wrong way, they can slow down your entry or exit, increasing danger. This rule helps ensure that you can bring in tools and equipment easily. You have enough room to move safely, and in emergencies, you're not trapped or slowed by poor door design. Here are some key points that you should know. Minimum width. Personnel doors to electrical rooms generally need to be at least 32 inches wide. This gives you enough space to carry tools or panels if needed. Door swing. Doors must open in the direction that allows quick exit, usually outward from the room. This prevents a door from blocking your escape if you need to rush out. No obstructions. The area in front of the door must be kept clear. No boxes, carts, or equipment should block the door. Single door or multiple. If the electrical equipment room is large, there may be requirements for more than one door, giving you multiple ways out in emergencies. Locks and access controls. Doors should be secured but must allow quick access for authorized personnel. In emergencies, you don't want to waste time looking for keys or codes. Imagine this. You arrive on a job site and you need to work on a panel inside a mechanical room. The door is only 28 inches wide, making it hard to bring in your tool bag. The door opens inward and is blocked by a shelf behind it, so you can't open it fully. There's only one exit and it is locked with a complicated keypad you don't have the code for. All these issues create problems, delays, and even safety hazards. NEC 110.26C3 helps prevent these situations by ensuring doors are properly sized, arranged, and accessible. As an electrician or apprentice, knowing about personnel door requirements helps you plan safer job sites. You'll be better able to spot code violations and advocate for better working conditions. It can make your work easier and reduce delays when moving tools and equipment. Most importantly, it protects your safety in emergencies. To recap, NEC 110.26 C3, personnel doors to electrical rooms must be wide enough and arranged for safe, easy entry and exit. Doors should open properly and never be blocked. These rules exist to protect you, allowing quick access and exit during normal work or emergencies. Always check that doors meet these requirements when working on or designing electrical installations. Thanks for listening.